I love ginger. I use it in tea, for cooking, for medication, and it's just an enjoyable spice to have around the house. I started my ginger and I broke it apart, fresh organic ginger, and I put it in a plastic bag with a little bit of water in a warm place until today. And it is the 15th, and I'm about to plant them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, plant ginger. Start now, start early, harvest late. Take care. Bye bye.